Hello, friends. Welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. Let's discuss some important news coming from the US, along with that, some important stock market update. And then we'll analyze the Nifty Bank chart. We'll find out some important key levels for the next week. So, to know the important key level for the Nifty Bank and important update, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update and indices weekly level update, sectors update, all in one video. Stock market pulse. Let's start video with the big important news coming from the US. And yes, this is again a new uh, bombardment, new bomb from the tariff bomb, I will say tariff bomb from the Trump to India, and this war is still going on. Trump has imposed the 100%, yes, you are listening right, 100% tariff on pharma firms not making product in US. Means they have he has imposed a 100% tariff on pharma of India, which is actually not making, or there is no manufacturing unit in US. Promote that manufacturing in US, he has imposed a 100% tariff on pharma sector, pharma pharma companies. So this is one new bomb from him. As I always say, I keep saying that there is no certainty in market because of his tariff bombs continuously is falling on India. So this is actually what happening. So again, I will say the whole 2025 has gone the on the name of this tariff war, tariff bomb from the US. And yes, pura saal, whole year has gone consolidating, falling only. So because of these uncertainty, these tariffs bombs, we could not see any good recovery or good rally, I can say, uh, in Indian stock market I'm talking. So again, this is what happening, and yes, this explains the potential impact on Indian pharma with US based manufacturers exempted, and sector stock also. The most affected company were actually was that Sun Pharma and Wockhardt. Actually sabhi pharma stock was falling on Friday, Saturday, Thursday. I will show you the pharma sector also, which is very important to discuss because of this news. Because of this news, the pharma sector was underperforming, was falling drastically. I will show you, I will explain, and even I will analyze the Nifty pharma chart also. So you can see, and this was the news I wanted to discuss, which is actually this 100% tariff. And yes, this is on, actually this is on branded and patented pharma drugs. तो इन शॉर्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट ब्रांडेड और पेटेंटेड में क्या है कि जो लाइक पैरासीटामोल है, तो दैट इज जेनेरिक वो है, drug है. But if the brand is attaching with this drug, that will become the branded and patented, and which is like Crocin, Dolo and all. So this is the difference. तो जो branded है और patented है उन पे ये 100% टैरिफ लगा हुआ है, which is not producing in US. So to promote the manufacturing in US, he has done all this drama. You can see I have opened the chart of Nifty Pharma. This is a Nifty Pharma chart, and you can see how drastically on Friday it opened, even gap down after this news was coming in. So this was huge gap down opening, and then from there again it started falling and went to this level, which was very good support of 21,000 400 to I can say 300 का range में था. Yes, of course some recovery happened, and but it is not looking good. It is still looking very bad. And you can see when it has broken, actually it has opened below the 200 EMA. This red line is 200 EMA of the Nifty Pharma, and it opened below this line, and went even this level, which was a swing low also, which is 21,350 or 300 around, touched it and little bit recovery. This was showing very very alarming situation for the Nifty Pharma. As I already discussed, I am going to discuss some important sectors, indices also. And this is the first sector where there is no breakout, of course, but yes, breakdown जरूर हो गया. तो मैं कह सकती हूँ कि negative breakout हुआ है in Nifty Pharma. And this level, above level, it closed at 22,000 around. So 22,000 से directly it has reached to 21,000 400 300 के आसपास. So almost 700 to 600 की downfall already happened in Nifty Pharma. I can say I don't know what is going to happen in next week. We have to watch this 21,300 very closely next week, because if it's breaking this, Nifty Pharma is breaking this support of 21,300, be mindful with this level 21,300, then more fall is ahead, like at least 10 till 20, 21,000 to 25,000 already. This is the next swing low, which is I can say 21,000, uh, uh, 20,500 के आसपास भी पहुंच सकता है this level. So I am not jumping because I don't know what is going to happen next week, but yes, I will not say कि next week is very safe or now it is going to recover. No, I can only see the chart, I see the candles, and then only predict according to the technical analysis. So this level is very important. Breaking this level, more drastically fall ahead, and this may take it to 20,500 to 21,000 to 20,500 also. Then we'll see next. ऊपर के लेवल में यस अगर थोड़ी रिकवरी आती है तो इट हैज टू ब्रेक दिस 21,700. यस आई कैन से 21,700 निफ्टी फार्मा नीड्स टू ब्रेक इट to to give little bit recovery. 21,700 is important level. Be mindful with this level also, which is 200 EMA. 200 EMA को ब्रेक करना बहुत जरूरी है टू कम इन अ सेफर जोन. अदरवाइज it is already in danger zone because it has broken the 200 EMA, and 200 EMA is a very very important indicator that it shows that below this it is not in very good zone, in very good condition situation. 21,700 के बाद 22,000 को देख लेना that it is going to break or not. These levels very very important for the Nifty Pharma who are invested in Nifty Pharma stocks, which is very important to know these levels. Stocks you can see Sun Pharma, Lotus Lab, and all the actually overall almost the pharma stock was not doing good on Friday because of this 100% tariff news. So this 100% tariff news is the new uncertainty showing in the Indian stock market, and which is taking market to down. So this was overall analysis of the Nifty Pharma chart, and these levels I will repeat again for the Nifty Pharma, which very important to watch in next week or next coming days. The important support is 21,300, and important resistance is 21,700. After 21,700, the 22,000 very important to watch for the resistance. After that the Nifty Pharma will be in a safer zone. So I have discussed the Nifty Pharma and the Pharma tariff news. Now let's quickly go to the Nifty Bank and I will show what was happening last week. You can see I have drawn these two important line, which is very important, and then this support, I can say zone, support zone from here to here, which is very important. I will describe, I will discuss in detail so that you will understand everything in detail, that what was happening last week and what may happen in next week. As you can see, this is the 200 EMA line, which is the red line, and this is the 20 EMA line, which is the blue line. So these two line I have drawn, and this is showing the resistance. If you see last week what all was happening in Nifty Bank, that it was very very negative candle. It is very negative and showing very negative situation in Nifty Bank. सो अभी यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट है जो कि इसने लिया है, लाइक लास्ट लास्ट फ्राइडे, विच इज 54,300 के आसपास, आई कैन से। अगर मैं लो लेवल एग्जैक्टली बताऊं तो दिस 54,300 एग्जैक्टली, यस, 54,300 के पास इसने सपोर्ट किया, विच यू कैन सी हियर ऑल्सो इट वॉज द रेजिस्टेंस एंड सपोर्ट, एंड हियर इट दिस लाइन, एंड दिस लाइन, ये ऊपर की लाइन है जो कि बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये you can see here this resistance, yes, this line I am talking, and here exactly again the Nifty Bank has taken support, which was a resistance, and here you can see here resistance support, and then here you can see resistance here also. So this is very very important support, which is I can say 54,300. 54,300 actually need to watch in next week, if, और जो कि मुझे नेगेटिव ही दिख रहा है, आई डोंट सी कि इट इज गोइंग टू सपोर्ट, टेक सपोर्ट हियर नेक्स्ट वीक or taking a reversal. If these kind of news actually keep coming up, then it will definitely going to break this 54,300 and will reach to this 200 MA, which is very very near 50, I can say 50 3,600, 53,600 से लेके 53,700 के या 800, वी कैन से एग्जैक्टली, आई कैन से 800। तो 800 से लेके 600 के बीच में बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट जोन है, विच यू नीड टू वॉच नेक्स्ट वीक वेरी वेरी क्लोजली आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग दिस 54,300। ओके, 2-3 लेवल्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। 54,300 ब्रेक करता है, जो कि लग रहा है कि नेक्स्ट वीक वेरी 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 लुकिंग वेरी सर्टेन इट इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक। नीड टू वॉच दिस जोन 53,600 टू 53,800 के बीच में, ये कहीं पे आसपास 700 यहाँ पे इट विल टेक सपोर्ट। तो ये सपोर्ट यू नीड टू वॉच। और आई फील short, if I talk about if I talk short term, need to take it will definitely take a support for some time here, not not expecting that it should break this 200 EMA in near term. Should take support and take a reversal from here, but the condition is that only these any new tariff should not come, जो कि हर रोज एक ना एक टैरिफ आता रहता है, एक टैरिफ न्यूज आती रहती है। सो नीड टू वॉच दैट। सब रेजिस्टेंस इसका बहुत ही स्ट्रांग हो गया, ये 20 EMA का रेजिस्टेंस विच इज 55,000, और आई विल टेक द एक साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट भी है, 55 रेजिस्टेंस भी है 55,000। 55,000 के बाद अगर ये ब्रेक हो जाता है तो देन इट विल गो टू द 56,000, विच वी विल टॉक लेटर। बट अभी तो मैं 55,000 की ही बात करूंगी। आई विल कीप वॉच क्लोजली ऑन द 55,000। इफ इट्स ब्रेकिंग, देन अगेन आई विल वॉच फॉर द 56,000, बट वो मुझे अभी थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लग रहा है। लाइक आई एम एक्चुअली वॉचिंग फॉर 50,000 in next week. So overall, these 2, 3, 5 levels is very important. If you see from 55,800 के आसपास से the Nifty Bank started falling, even one single day it has not given a single green candle continuously and consistently, only it is falling and falling, broken all these 20 EMA also. And then it is heading, looks like it is heading to the 200 EMA again also. So this is showing very very negative situation in Indian stock market. Even Nifty 50 also I will discuss tomorrow in Sunday video. So overall, Nifty bank situation is not looking great, not looking good even, I will say. So this was overall the detailed analysis of the Nifty bank chart. I tried to explain everything in detail and described everything. I will repeat the Nifty bank level again. Important support after breaking 54,300, it will reach to 53,700. And important resistance is 55,000. Breaking 55,000 will take it to 56,000. So overall, I have discussed the Nifty Pharma tariff news and the Nifty Pharma sector analysis also, and levels also. Along with that, I have analyzed the Nifty bank chart also. Share this important sector analysis and important update also with your friends. Like the video and subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update, stock in news update, and indices, sectors, weekly levels update. Signing off.